Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to put digital creator on a Facebook profile. So first, you just have to launch your Facebook application, tap this three lines, scroll down, and then look for help and support. Under help and support, you have to click this help center, tap this one here, and then under help center, you will see this search bar. So you just have to tap this or this magnifying glass icon and then type digital creator. Okay, so you have to type it. Now, as you can see, there are tons of options here. And if you're looking for monetizations and stars and any of the option here, you just have to tap that one. But this time, let's look for access creator support form. Okay, so you have to look for that. Okay, tap this option here, access creator support from Facebook. And as you can see here, it's not available in my country. Okay, so as you can see, this feature is only available to some people right now. And it's not available in my region. Maybe it's available to your region or country, but in my region, it's not yet available. So maybe soon this feature will be available. Now you can tap this no and click other here, and you can ask for a help or ask them to, let this feature available in your country soon or your region soon because this one is very helpful, something like that. So once done, all you have to do is to click submit. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.